Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to turn sea moss into gel. First, begin by thoroughly rinsing your raw sea moss under cool, running water. This step is crucial for removing any sand, salt, or other natural debris. After rinsing, place the sea moss in a large bowl and cover it completely with filtered water. Let it soak for a minimum of 6 hours, or ideally overnight, to rehydrate and soften. Once your sea moss is fully rehydrated and has expanded, it's time to blend it into a gel. Drain the soaking water and transfer the softened sea moss to a high-speed blender. Add fresh, filtered water, using a ratio of approximately 1 cup of sea moss to 1.5 cups of water. Blend on high for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until the mixture achieves a perfectly smooth, creamy consistency. After blending, you can optionally strain the gel through a fine mesh sieve to ensure an extra smooth texture, though this isn't always necessary. Once satisfied with the consistency, carefully pour your freshly made sea moss gel into a clean, airtight glass jar. Store this jar in the refrigerator. Properly stored, your homemade sea moss gel will remain fresh and potent for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. Your versatile sea moss gel is now ready for use. Many people enjoy adding 1 to 2 tablespoons daily to their morning smoothies, juices, or even just a glass of water for an easy nutritional boost. It also works wonderfully as a natural thickening agent in various recipes, from soups to desserts. Additionally, you can apply a small amount topically as a hydrating and nourishing face mask.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.